Okay, Rollie.
Yeah, I'm Rollie Hammerstedt, and I've been associated with the Save the Canso project for 6 of the 8 years that this project's been in the works, and I've actually been here kind of as a technical advisor, mainly because I had a good background with the Canso, and I knew Don Weeben and offered assistance. So I've been around as this project has progressed, and these fellows have done just a wonderful job. They are a group of farmers, and farmers tend to have a very good mechanical skill, and it's suited this project extremely well. The aircraft, of course, the structural work was done by Mark Bach, who did excellent work, and my involvement actually was just overseeing the non-structural work. And the project has gone well. It's taken time, but which is a good thing, because this was not a rush job. Everything was done in a very careful way, and I've had 63 years experience in aircraft maintenance, and to me this aircraft has really been done up in a very good manner. And as of this fall now, we've just finished doing a weight and balance on it, and the engines are ready to run. And I'm sure that we're probably going to see the odd minor snag, but I think everything's going to go fine. And this airplane should fly in the spring. We should have all the legal paperwork done with transport, and we're looking forward to a flight in the spring. And I just have to add that this has been one of the nicest projects I've ever been on in my entire aviation career. And I thank the people here for the camaraderie more than anything else. Thank you.
Thanks, Rollie.